In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Spotify on Windows 11 without using the Microsoft Store. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. If you want to install Spotify on your Windows system but you don't have access to the Microsoft Store, or you just prefer not to use the store version, I'm going to show you how to download Spotify directly from their official website. To get started, open your browser and search for Spotify Download. Click the first link and make sure it is the official website, which is spotify.com. Scroll down the page a little bit and click the link that says Download directly from Spotify. When the installer is downloaded, just launch it. Spotify will then automatically start downloading and installing the full application. There you go. Now you have Spotify installed on your computer without using the Microsoft Store.